our campsite for this night and we are heading up the mountains. It's only 10 o'clock, but it's already 30 degrees outside, so it's kind of hot. And it's like normal, a lot of traffic patrol. Wait, I think I should. Strange roads, so it's kind of hard to understand what to do. But anyhow, and we will try to get a supermarket. But yeah, we're going up to the Albanian Alps. It's about a couple of hours drive. And we will see. Like, it's a lot of cool roads, I guess. But the locals told us not to go with the bad road, just to get with the new asphalted road. So we will probably do that, so we don't get stuck. Because the bad roads in Albania, they are probably pretty bad. So we will see. But now we're going for the store, and we're going through this little place called something, I don't know, Shugurush, so maybe. And we will go and just have a stop at a supermarket and resupply a little bit, and then we go up the mountains, and hopefully we can find somewhere to camp for the night, and we will probably be there for 1 day or two. So I keep you updated. See you later. Ciao. So then we have starting to gain some elevation, and these roads are pretty narrow. So now we have behind a bus, so it doesn't go so fast. But the temperature is falling down to 20 degrees outside. So now it's like normal Swedish weather. So, but we are still going upwards. So this is kind of cool, and you started to see some snow. I did not know that this was snow in this part at this time of year, but obviously it was. So that's kind of cool. And these roads are kind of narrow, and there's a lot of bad drivers on them. So a lot of them are afraid of the gravel on the side, so they don't want to go out. And that's a little bit hard when you have a bigger car, because somehow, like in some places where they have bridges, they have like a rock inside the right lane a little bit. And when you have a meeting in this, it's so dangerous because you can't see it, or you see it, but you see it badly. And then you go out because the other person not going out, and then you say shit, and you're gonna hit this rock. So this is kind of troubling. Now the bus is letting everyone pass, and that's nice. So now we are still back on the road. Maybe he needed to cool something down, I'm not sure. But as you see, it's pretty cool views right now. So this is cool. I like it. And I can hear my V8 roll up the hill, and that's kind of cool also. And we averaging around 23 liters 100 kilometers, and we are still going up, so maybe it's like 26, 27 liters 100 kilometer before this uphill or something like this, maybe even more. We will see, but totally worth it. And we will have to get down this path again, because this is like the only way down and up, if I understand it correctly. We will see if we can, maybe if we're lucky, we can find some cool off-road roads or something, but probably not, because it doesn't look like it's so much other roads than this one here, so we'll see. But we will keep you updated. We will see where we'll be sleeping and where we will have lunch. Probably, or hopefully we will find some place to make lunch. We can make our own lunch. Otherwise we have to stop at some kind of restaurant, but we will see. So, wow, look at this. This is really nice. Good view. Hope she gets this. This looks a little bit like Norway. It's cool. Nice. Me like. Oh, up and up and up and up we go. So now we have entered the beautiful city of Theth. So the road we were driving was one of the worst roads apparently for off-roaders to 2021 when they put asphalt on it. So I had not know of the fun, but it was a pretty good road to drive even on asphalt. So this was cool. So now we will try to find some place to have lunch. And yeah, then we will see what we go after that. We have no plans for today, so but we will see. So we will keep you updated. I'm not really sure where to go. So then we've been eating some lunch at apparently the best restaurant at Theth. It was kind of a little bit way off, so it's a little bit hard to get there, but we did. It was okay. And now I'm not really sure where to go, so I will try to go up this place, I think. Just because I can. I have no clue why, but it looks like some old riverbeds, and that's cool to drive on. But it's still a road, so I have not been off-roading yet. I'm really not really sure where to go when I'm going here, but yeah, we will see. Oh, here's a wooden bridge. I'm not sure if I'm cool enough to drive on this. This way instead. No one remember coward. You see, I was allowed to off-road. So this should be a wonderful campsite. As you see, around the surrounding is amazing. There's a really good view and there's a small river down here. But we will probably be going to a different location because otherwise we lose a couple of days, and we want to do some more stuff here in northern Albania. So we will probably go up the mountains again and pass it and go to Kuna, and tomorrow take a boat if we find somewhere to sleep there tonight. So we just want to show you this place because it's really amazing. This is a wonderful place. Maybe we don't go, I'm not sure. I need to try to persuade my family just to stay here because this is an amazing paradise kind of feeling. But we keep you updated. Ciao! So we're back in business. As you maybe see, we're still on the same place. I kind of convinced my family that we can just try and see if the tent looks nice at this spot. And now no one wanna go, so we started to barbecue some kind of meat. I think it is beef. So we had the barbecue on. We are cooking some potatoes. I'm happy, the children are happy, the wife is happy, everybody is happy. And we have a nice view. So we will stay here for the night. And then we will see what will be happening for tomorrow. We will see. We probably will be in Albania a couple of more days, more than we thought in the beginning. But this is really nice location, so we want to stay here and explore it a little bit more before we leave. So we say see you later from a really nice Theth in Albania. Ciao!
Vi har en hälsning till mormor och morfar. Och vad ska vi säga då? Godnatt!
Godnatt! Siembanani, 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 siembanani.